Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading, and I just wanted to talk to you about what has happened in the ES in the last 24 hours. Wow, what a crazy day yesterday, right? Geez, I actually made money and I was very thankful for that, but I am sure a lot of people out there did not have such a great day yesterday. And so I wanted to show you what happened overnight. We came into this level of support coming from 36.97 to 37.07. It includes a 618, 786, and then some symmetrical support and also an extension of a previous low to high swing. And overnight we bounced from that setup, that cluster there. And today what happened is we came into this resistance and failed. Now let me tell you or show you why I had a good idea we could see a failure today in the market. This is why. This is my 120-minute chart where I have the resistance also, and of course it's the same targets because we're talking about the same swing, right? Let's see, it is this high to low swing that we're talking about here. That is the high from yesterday, and we had that or from January 26, not yesterday, but January 26, we had that failure, came all the way down to last night, bounced, today came into this resistance and failed. We failed right here where I have timing. Okay, timing came together, price came together, the failure happened. Everyone in our room was very happy that they had the warning signal in front of them. I encourage you, if you are not in the Fibonacci room, I encourage you to come and join the Fibonacci room because this is an awesome tool for you to have to use in your trading. Okay, now we are looking at a small bounce off the 50% here. We will see what happens overnight. The 50% is 37.63, and what I'm talking about is this low to high swing here. The 618 is 37.49 and the 786 is 37.29. If you are bearish, the ES, off of this resistance, your target on the downside is going to be 36.70. But what I would want you to watch out for first, we do have a 786 and an extension here on the 120-minute chart. But on the daily, you do have that setup zone 36.97 to 37.07 that is going to come before that downside target of 36.70. If you are bullish, I would suggest looking for a pullback to one of these retracements here. You can use it as part of your trading plan. If it is part of your trading plan, it is not an official Fibonacci setup when they are by themselves, but I do sometimes use these retracements as an opportunity to get back in. And if you decide to do that, once we do see a bounce, I will set a new smaller frame target off of one of these retracements, but you can also use the overall target here of 39.05 and 39.60. All right, everybody, that's all I have for you for now. I hope you have an amazing evening, and I will talk to all of you soon. Thanks, everybody.